sige lang. A message to our supporters na lang. Please continue praying for him. That's the main thing that gives him strength. That's one of the reasons that we continue to fight to bring him home. So your prayers, that's enough. That's enough support. Um, Advocating for his release. I hope that the ICC court uh, leads into this their humanitarian side, sees that the person is no longer a threat or a flight risk or anything. That's all.
Salamat po. Hakapin niyo po si Tatay Digong ha. And please, my personal message is I'm alive and well now and I continue to support
Actually,
him. Yes.
i-update ko siya sa health status mo. Nag-alala rin siya. Pero na-timing ko man, bago ako nagpasok, nakita ko na okay ka naman, alive and well. Kita ko nga yung video na may nagsalubong sa'yo sa airport. So, that is okay.
And sabi ng Diyos, talagang hindi kami pwede maghiwalay dito sa dahig.
Sabay-sabay talaga kayo
Sinakay na ako sa eroplano, papunta Austria. Binaba pa ako ulit. Sabi, ayaw ko pa hiwalay kita, Tatay Digong. Pakisabi lang po, nandito tayo hanggang huli. Okay? Lahat po kami dito, naririto hanggang huli. Walang iwanan. So, hang on lang.